What's up, guys? This is Adam Boyd from Adam Reviews. Today I'm going to show you a quick video of how I banked $1,600 off of S&P 500 off 3 kangaroo tail trades, and I did this in a less than an hour. I made $1,600 profit, and I will show you exactly how I did that in this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, just show you guys the goods, show you how well this strategy works and how much money you can make very quickly with kangaroo tails. Now, if you haven't been involved with trading, you need to be very careful about how much money you risk in your account. If you are just starting with trading, you need to look into the risks involved with trading forex and trading indices and stuff like that with these brokers. And you need to understand that you're not guaranteed to make money. I can't guarantee that you'll make any profits. I'm not a financial advisor, and I have to give you that information up front because I don't want to, put myself in any gray areas by not explaining that to you guys. But I do want to show you how I personally made $1,600 off 3 S&P 500 trades in less than an hour. Now we will check this out. I've already recorded, obviously, when it happened. Now I'm just going to go over and do kind of a voice over for it and explain what was happening when it was happening, because I kind of had some music going, so you won't really be able to hear what I was saying at the time. Here we are. We've got a 5-minute kangaroo tail indicator coming off the 5-minute chart on the S&P 500. We are immediately up by 38 pips here, 35, and I'm going to let this run for a little bit here, and you can see how I got in I got in a little late, honestly. I got in about 8 minutes after it came in, but with the 5-minute ones, sometimes they take a little longer to develop. So I got in, actually this would have been about 25-30 minutes after, but still, I still thought it was a good looking trade. It looked like we were going to get a good reversal there, and we did initially right away. And as we watch this, I will speed this up a little bit. I'm at like 600% now, just so you guys don't have to watch this super slow. It gets kind of boring if you just sit here and watch it. I was kind of going back and forth between the 1-minute and the 5-minute chart, and you can see my profit down on the bottom right. You can see as it changes there. Now we're sitting about 15 pips right now. 18 pips, 25 pips. This should go pretty quickly. And I'm looking at the 1-minute chart so I can kind of keep a better eye on how things are changing in a shorter amount of time, looking at the chart. We're up about 50 pips right now, which is about 500 bucks. We did 2 lot size. 2 lots on this S&P 500 trade. Okay, and then on the 1-minute we start getting another kangaroo tail popping up here, and so I decided to close out my trade. Realized, yep, it's going to reverse. I closed it out at $400 profit, and then I bought it. I actually did 4 lots on this one. Okay, it's going to take just a few minutes to develop here. We'll speed it up a little bit. Okay, actually. Okay, this part I did speed up a little bit here. Okay, and then it starts doing what we want here, exactly what we expect, the V movement from the kangaroo tail. Very simple indicator. It's only $17 a month, and you can get it in the description below. And then it all of a sudden shot down very quickly, But I kept my stop loss right where it was at the end of the tail. It never actually reached that point. You can see it starts going up here again. We're up about 15, 20 pips, 23, 25. I moved my stop loss up to almost break even, and then I decided actually I'm going to bring it back down just in case, because sometimes it does pop down to break even and then shoot back the other way, and it did. Okay, I was expecting a little more movement, so I was a little patient with this one. I knew it was going to go back up. Here it does. Just going to be patient here. Okay, so right here we are up about 23 pips. And I actually closed it out right at 23 pips. I think we made 460 on that one. Let's see. You can see it shot down. Okay, yep. So that would have been 460 bucks right there. Let's go back to it. So then we see that it comes down, all right, and it did right when we closed out at 23 pips. It dropped down quite a bit here, and then we actually get a kangaroo tail popping up down here. Yeah, we were like, hey, let's get in this trade as well. So I'm gonna move it forward. You can see I got in here. I placed my stop loss a little bit outside the tail, and then you can see what happens. Alright, we're up 17 pips now, 340 bucks on 4 lots on S&P 500 here. We're getting the movement that we want. We're going to let it shoot up just a little bit more, and then we're going to close this out. We've already made $860 on the first 2 trades in the last 30 to 45 minutes. Let's see here. See if it goes up just a little bit more. Alright, might have to be a little patient on this. Like I said, we're looking forward to come back up here. It'll come back. Alright, we might not get it back to where it was, but I'm gonna take it here in a second. Perfect. All right, that's 1,600 bucks, guys, in less than an hour. That's easy. That easy, guys. Look at that. Pretty sick how these things work. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to subscribe or go to kangarooguide.com. Make sure to like and comment on this video. Make sure to get access to the kangaroo tail indicator. It's only $17 a month to rent. There's also a lifetime license, so you don't have to keep paying every month. And as well, you can use my Ingot Broker to trade indices like this. And there's really good spreads. It's regulated and it's trustable. So I really like Ingot Broker as my broker. So make sure to go to my website as well. And thanks for stopping by the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.